Hello everyone! In this week's design thinking module, we'll be going over prototyping. So the first thing, as usual, is the Flipgrid prompt. This week's prompt is asking you to describe a time when you prototyped a solution. And as always, tip of the hat if you respond to one of your Mighty Mates prompts. Next, there's a video describing the significance of prototyping and why you should never, ever skip the prototype phase. The next part is an article posted here in an EdTech tool called Now Comments. The article is Prototyping, Learn 8 Common Methods and Best Practices. What I like about this tool is it allows you to read through the article and then make comments along the side. Say, for example, I wanted to comment on this line. Sketching is a valuable method of prototyping because you can do it practically everywhere with a paper and pen or even on your smartphone or tablet. If I wanted to comment on it, I would simply click 17 and go ahead and start a comment. My comment could be something like, I agree with this. And I could write, I agree with this because often I get ideas in the middle of the night, and it's great to have a sketchbook nearby my bedside so I can write down my ideas. Now let's start the conversation. And then my comment is posted by paragraph 17. So if someone wants to come and respond, they can do that here. So my question for you here is, tell us about the part of this article that really resonates with you, and let's try to get a conversation going. For the next part of the module, we'll be exploring Canva. Canva is a graphics design tool that has templates for creating storyboard prototypes. So I'd like you to come into this tool and use it to create your own storyboard. I've made an example right here. My storyboard is about ways to increase engagement with learning videos. I've posted links in the module overview on where you can go to learn more about the templates in Canva and using the storyboard feature overall. Lastly, once you create your storyboard, you can share it here by clicking the link, copying the link to your storyboard, and then I'd like you to post your link in the design thinking files. So over here you can go to prototype, Canva upload folder, and then within the folder I've created a document where we can link our storyboard. So just add your name and your link. Enjoy this module, Mighty Mates.